Righto, how you going? We're here doing a bit of a follow-up, bit of an add-on for the time of day strategy. Basically, I've gone through, I've run my strategy, I've worked out what days and what times I want to be a buyer or seller, or in particular, I've worked out when the market's doing certain things, and I am going to get busy around that time of day. This one here is the Aussie dollar. So we've back tested the Aussie dollar. We've optimized it and we've checked it day of week for a short entry. We're entering short, and I'm checking it between 30 and 50. It's coming back with these times: 50 pip stop, 30 pip target, 11:30, 12, 12, 9, 10. 30 pip stop, 40 pip target, 9, 10. Profit factor of 3.3. 11:30, 9, 10. So I am interested in this 9, 10 time of day. I like it, and I want to know when it's happening. So I've written that down in my book. Monday morning, short 9, 10. Then I'll run through another one, test up something else. That was for Monday. Here's another one that I've done. It's come back with a day of week, day 4. This is a true, and we want to end along, and I've checked it, same deal, and it's come back and told me around 1:20, 1 o'clock, 11:50. So I'm interested in this 10 minutes past 1. I mean, look at this. This is ridiculous. 10 minutes past 1. I want to know that I should be going long on a Thursday at 10 minutes past 1. Or at least be prepared to go long, because I need a bit of this action. 2.29, it's ridiculous. Anyway, so I've written that time down as well. 10 minutes past 1, 13:10 on a Thursday. So here we go. We've got our this is just a blank chart of the Aussie dollar. Here's our indicator. We've got all our times. So on a Monday morning, what I'm doing is I want to signal it an hour before it happens. This could be 2 hours or whatever you want. You can change it to 2 hours, 3 hours, whatever. I just want something coming up at least an hour beforehand. So I'm going to set my first time. There's the time that I want to be displayed is 10 minutes past 9. So I'm going to set my first time at 10 minutes past 8. That's 8 hours, 10 minutes, 00 seconds. It's going to display this text buy in 1 hour. Then the next text to display is simply going to be that. It could be anything. It could be buy time now or whatever I want. But I don't want to clutter my screen with stuff, so I'm just sticking with BZ2, buy zone 2, and here is the text for sell in 1 hour. So that's the time that I came back with the sell signal, and it's going to kick off then at 17:40, and I want my second one on a Monday. I want my second one at 18:40. So it was there or there. So 17:40. It's going to give me my first signal, and there's my second signal now. This is the width of the line, and I can change it I can make it as much as I want. 2's pretty good. It's just 1's a bit faint, 2's not too bad. Here's the colors that we're going to display, and here's the distance above where the price action is to keep my keep this text out of the road. I want it 50 pips above the current price, just so it doesn't get in the road and interfere with what I'm looking at. So I'm going to apply this. I've already gone through and put all my other times in, just to save time. So on a Thursday, I want to be buying around lunchtime and selling really early in the morning. And on a Friday, I want to be buying early in the morning and selling in mid-afternoon into the afternoon. Saturday I'm going to have off. But if you're in a different time zone, you might be using Saturdays and all that. Anyway, so we've applied that, set as default, so I've got the settings. I can apply it to a chart. And basically this is what it comes back at. Now, if you had a time that you didn't want to display, say I found that the signal on a Wednesday was no good, I just set all of the 0. And apply that, and wherever the Wednesday is, I'm just not going to get any signals on that day. It must be in here. It's Wednesday, so there's just no signals on that day. Right, so that's about it. Now, naturally, this is only a time of day. It's not, nothing's in stone around here. I know that the market's going to do something. I know that this point of time has come up very regularly. Like there's something going on. This is when another market is opening, or there's a move that initiates around these times. I'm not going to take every signal blindly. I'm just going to be aware that there's things going on. Remove that. And if we apply a few indicators, here we have the averages are in the red. Everything's red. It's come up. Here's my sell. I'm really wanting to sell this. We got a little double top, then we got another double top, we got a bear pin. Sell it. This one here, I probably would have passed on that because the averages were all green. Why go against the trend too much, but it ended up being a winner. This one hasn't really rallied up as it's at the bottom. There's a low, so you're sort of selling at the low. That's a bit of a silly thing to do. This one's at the low. Here we go. Everything's green. I'm just looking for an excuse to buy this market, and hard right. Let's do it. Hard right edge. So we're just going through. We're going to have a bit of a look. I've got it all in here, and we're just going to do a bit of visualized hard right edge testing to see how we go with this thing. Just keep clicking through here. There was our last buy signal. It's against the trend. I'm not a big against the trend guy, but anyway, that's what it does. And we're looking for a sell, I guess. Oh, there's another buy. Oh, now here is where I would have, didn't have a reason to buy here, but here you do have a good reason to buy. So righto, here's a sell, but we're starting to get the trends really starting to come up here. Or is it just overcooked and needing? Yeah, you'll see this is a problem. We've got it telling us this is a time of day, and we're getting a bit of a sell signal out of this. However, we're starting to get a bit of maybe a bit of negative action as well. So you'd be a bit weary of this. You'd have a tight stop anyway. I wouldn't be sitting with me stop waiting for it to get down here. If it breaks this level, it should collapse. Let's see how they go. Yeah, they're bidding here. You got to have a tight stop on this one. You don't want to be mucking around. If this thing goes, you want to be going with it unless we get a buy signal. Ooh. Alright, oh, here's sort of, you got to be starting to get ready to take your money here, don't you? And go and sit on the side. So if you were managed to stick with that one, it's only 80 pips, I guess. 55, yeah, 80 pips. Where we've got a buy signal, and we've got these, so yeah, and we've got this big strong moving average here, so I would have got in. If I didn't get in there, I would have got in here anyway. Got a heap of green arrows. I mean, the stop 75, it's 25, 30 pip stop, that's not too bad. Add an extra one on here. Yeah, this is a problem, isn't it? Yeah. be taking some money off the table. Yeah, not good, is it? So we'll two little dots here. Problem with this one is it already broke the line. Should be getting supported. You know, the price should be above this black line and staying above it. It's not. So that's sort of the telltale there. Righto, so if you manage to get in and sell this somehow, here is your cover me, take money. You know, this thing could keep dropping off, but nothing will take a profit. Right, it hasn't managed to get up much, so I'd be keen to take next sell signal or the buy signal. Well, now I would even start thinking about selling into this, even though it's a buy signal. It's already rallied up. There's the signal. Yeah. No, that was very unlucky. It's well, yeah, you got fucking good reason to be cautious, but the trend's down, so yeah, no, yeah, trying to keep it down, aren't they? Oh. Alright, cover. It's got to get up here. It's way too low. It needs to get up into here a bit. So just start to get a bit of green. I'd be a seller up here, but I wouldn't be rushing into it down here. Alright, Amy. Sell zone. This has run out, and the price can't get up. The arrows have stayed on it. So here's the target down here. So yeah, 406. You have that even number, aren't you? What if you got so you got DFTL there? Yeah. Yeah, well, I'd be starting to think about selling it. There we go, I'd be selling it now. Oh, got him. Now, trail and stop. Mm. Should I be looking for an excuse to sell that? And here it is. See that? There's the last MACD, so the MACD is overcooked. And there's the MACD, so you know, if you did manage 79, you're down. You got 30 pips. Yeah, well, here you go. But so hard, isn't it? These guys are pretty good. We're in a buy zone. It's on the line. I was give it a go. Just have a tight stop down here, 22 or something, 24. Well, that was lucky. Look at that. Strength off that. Oh, this is where my stuff would be. Oh, probably. Yeah, 98. Yeah, we're having problems there, aren't we? Mate, if I could. There's a sell buy, so I know there's a sell cycle coming here somewhere. Boom. Take money, take money. Righto, I'd be fine on the next buy signal. There. Get into this. Oh, hang on, here's the problem. We've come underneath this big. This has been acting as maybe this running stops. Problem. Danger, Will Robinson. Danger. Yeah. See, 75. So 99. Yeah, 25. So 30 pip stop. So you got your stop here at 70. You got in here somewhere at double even numbers. 70 is the stop. We'll be glad to get out if it doesn't go away. No, I don't think it's going to go away. Just had too much trouble, hasn't it? Oh, look at that. Didn't see then. Didn't look up. That's a triple stochastic. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. I know this thing's overcooked. And when I covered there, that would have been a good one to, you know. Anyway, that's it. A little bit of a wink and a nod. Something going on. Be ready. Okay, thanks.